来看美国总统川普提名42岁新创企业 CEO 艾萨克曼来出任 NASA 的司长哦，马上参与的审查咯。也毋过艾萨克曼无太空的背景，伊伫听证会时表示讲 ，NASA 会当齐来推动重返月球甲登陆火车，嘛强调讲美国一定爱维持太空竞赛领先的地位。
We will prioritize sending American astronauts to Mars, and along the way, we will inevitably have the capabilities to return to the moon and determine the scientific, economic, and national security benefits for maintaining a presence on the lunar surface.
艾萨克曼伫4月初9听证会顶悬，一直呼应川普的想法，也就是将太空人登陆火车列为优先重回月球的计划。不过也强调 NASA 若用提悬效率，应同时朝向两个方向行。 42岁艾萨克曼16岁就伫厝创业，伊迄时阵正特别行动支付工具真紧累积财富，然后佮创立公司私人空军的企业，承包美国甲其他国家的空军训练业务。热爱飞行甲航太产业的艾萨克曼，前后伫2021年甲2024年2摆带全部拢是太空所进的成员进入地球轨道。
NASA is the most accomplished and respected space agency in the world, but for all NASA's historic achievements, the agency is not without challenges. Presidents have called for a return to the moon and a path to Mars since 1989, and well over $100 billion has been spent without the intended results. Most programs, new telescopes, rovers, X-planes, entire spaceships, are over budget and behind schedule.
为冷战时代到21世纪，美国的太空竞赛对手愈来愈多。科学人月刊的报道特别指出，美国政坛甲科学界，尤其是烦恼中国超过，甚至伫说月球基地顶悬超过美国。
We have geopolitical rivals moving at impressive speeds. It's imperative for our national security, our pride, and all that we stand to gain in exploration that we never come in second place.
公司新闻，时间真便宜。